Allison, so I'm crouching down because I have the camera on my dresser, but I'm so excited because today I'm gonna show you my apartment. I haven't showed you my new apartment yet. I showed you guys my last one, did like a vanity tour. I have no vanity at this one, so I'll show you how I organize my makeup. But then we're gonna head to Trader Joe's. I'm out of breath, and I'm gonna show you what I get for groceries on keto. I haven't talked to you about keto since my first keto video. And I'll give you some updates. Here's one update: I've lost 9 pounds, whoop! But super exciting, and grocery hauls are like my favorite videos to watch, so I figured I would do one for you guys. Let's ride. All right, so right this way we have my television. I actually just put that, it like hides your cords. I got it off Amazon, just did that today. And this apartment actually has like no ceiling lights, so my genius idea, I'm very proud of it, was getting these 2 shelf lights to frame my TV. Looks nice, lights the whole room up. Got just a basket of rocks here. Me and my friend Shayna, shout out to Shayna if you're watching this. And we have this weird little light ball. I don't have it turned on. My mom gave me some little knickknacks. My mom got me this for Christmas because she calls me Alligator. I got that when I was like really little. This little guy from Costa Rica. Shimbooked. Then this is where the magic happens. I just have like this catch-all basket candle to keep my little hoops, and then my brushes, my makeup, my dresser. I actually got this at IKEA, and I got these like in the clearance section of Anthropologie. They were like 75 cents each, and I just changed out the knobs to make it look a little more, you know, chic. And then we have my windowsill. This is like jewelry, more makeup, my lash bucket, my books, my plant, my candles. My favorite part, my humongo mirror from IKEA. Nice outfit. It's called Fashion Sweetie, look it up. My bed. My peeps up here. LOL. My peeps, me and a camel. My closet, which we're not gonna get into because I'm one of those people that just shoves everything in a closet. Let me know if you guys are. Here's everything and anything you could hang on the back of a door. These are all my boots. I'm a huge booty person. No, really, I love boots. Statement boots are my fave in the winter. Change out of my sweats into different sweats.
2,000 years later.
Alright, it took me long enough to get my shit together. I'm now gonna go to the grocery store. Watching The Office in the background. I literally get all of my recipes and inspiration from Pinterest, so if you don't follow us, go do it. I think I'm gonna make a cheeseburger salad for my lunches this week. Looks pretty good. Update, not going to Trader Joe's. The whole entire store was the line to check out. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's room tour and grocery haul and quick little lunch recipe that I was trying out. Let me know if you did enjoy this. Please give it a big ol' thumbs up. And let me know what other recipes you want to know, anything about keto. Like I said, I'm down 9 lbs. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to be making a keto pizza tonight. I'm going to be testing it out and maybe film it. So let me know if you guys would want to see that. Yeah, but until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. This is my Big Mac salad.
What about it?
Does it look good? And keto Big Mac salad, what do you think? Homemade Big Mac sauce, keto style.
Isn't it like ketchup and mayo?
No. Check out my Big Mac salad.
Whoa, looks better than mine.
Sure does.